Marian is of same age with you, di ba? So parang feeling mo ba napaaga yung pagpapasok?
Hindi! I think, if you're not in showbiz, it's a perfect age. Perfect age na talaga yun. But with us kasi, it's different in the industry here. You don't become leading lady material once you're a wife. Diba? Unlike in the States, kahit like Angelina Jolie, she can still portray. Dito kasi once na wife ka na, pwede ka na mag-mommy role.
You mean, does it
It's
mean
very rare. I don't understand that actually.
Does it mean it could be the downside of Marian getting married?
No, not at all. I just think in general dito sa Philippines, but there's also a very rare case. You have Jody Santa Maria, 'di ba? So maybe slowly nagiging open na yung mga tao kasi 'di ba yung Filipino viewers natin, they think kung ano yung nasa TV, yun ka na sa totoong buhay, 'di ba? So I think slowly nagiging open na yung mga tao na okay lang kahit kasal ka na or mommy ka na to still get leading role. And Jody Santa Maria is proof of that.